All right, guys, another Monday is almost in the books, and Nvidia stock is down about 1.5% as all the indexes are in the green except for the NASDAQ, which is also down about, let's see, 0.1%, nothing crazy. So, guys, we have to break down Nvidia, the charts, what I'm looking to do, and most importantly, where I see it going in the short term. But first, of course, come on, guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that's a no-brainer. So check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So we're about 20 minutes away from close, and all the indexes, like I said, are in the green except for the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ's down 0.1%, nothing crazy to be honest, as the S&P is barely in the green now that I look at it, up 0.03%, but we do have some nice green for the Dow, up almost 0.75%, as the Russell's up 1.6%. Very good day overall for the small caps, as the Russell's getting awfully close to all-time highs. Maybe we'll talk more about that later in the video. And here on Nvidia stock, it is down 1.5%. We sold off a good chunk this morning from around 148, which is where we opened at, all the way down to 143. We dropped 3.5%. And since that point, we have chopped around a bit. We've seen some consolidation in the mid 140s, and it looks like that is going to maintain heading into close, which again, we're about 15-20 minutes away from close here. So big sell-off in the morning, followed by consolidation pretty much all day. And here on the 5-day, 5-minute, you guys can see that we're holding above a certain level, 143, 44, 45, which we'll take a look in a second here. That's a big spot that Nvidia needs to hold. So clearly we broke out of 143 to 145 a couple of trading days ago. We got up to 150, which is an all-time high, and now we've been chopping around the last couple of days, kind of consolidating, trading sideways, if you will, right? And here on the 10-day chart, you guys can see that even better. We have a golden cross. We're above the 180 SMA. We're holding it as support. Here on the 20-day chart, you guys can see something as well. Take a look here. Notice how back in the end of October, early days of November, we were struggling at about 142, 143. That was a big resistance. Notice we broke out of it a couple days ago, and look at where we're holding support right now. We're holding that old resistance as support. This looks really healthy overall on Nvidia stock. And guys, on the 4-hour chart, let me show you this. We have, which you all should know at this point, especially if you've been watching my channel, we have an ascending triangle. We broke out of there, got to 150, and now look, we're pulling down, testing the top of that triangle, old resistance, now support. This is a very good sign. And 140 to 142, that wasn't only resistance in the end of October, but it was also the old all-time high from back in June. We hit 141 back in June after going pretty much up for a straight month from $90 to 140. Then we sold off, whatever, traded sideways for a couple months, and now we're finally starting to break out again. We got to 150. Now we're cooling off, holding the mid 140. So if I had to guess, guys, this is where we're going to consolidate for a little bit. And earnings are coming up, not this Wednesday, but next Wednesday. I feel like this is where we could start climbing and maybe seeing a bit of a relief rally heading into earnings right here between 142, 145. This general $2-3 window is where buyers could come in, and we might get the rally, in my opinion. And of course, if you guys disagree, let me know down below in the comments. And by the way, sign up to the email list. If you haven't done that yet, it's completely free, and I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks every Monday. It's a no-brainer. Put your first name and your email using that link in the description box down below, and there's no spam, no BS, just straight up value, and it's free. So guys, make sure to sign up if you want me to send you my top 3 stocks every Monday. It's in the description box down below. So that's a quick breakdown on Nvidia stock, and I am getting excited, guys, as earnings are right around the corner. They're coming up. They're literally here, guys. And yeah, the entire stock market is moving. Now actually we're getting some red on the S&P, but yeah, the Russell is pushing all-time highs. We can see here we hit 2441 today, which I believe the all-time high is, where is it at? 2458. Okay, so we got about 16, 17 points away from all-time highs on the Russell today. And now that we are seeing this ascending triangle play out, I think more upside could be in store. The momentum's obviously clearly in the Bulls' favor. So let's see. Let's see if that continues here moving forward. I think Russell all-time highs are coming, maybe even this week. And speaking of all-time highs, the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones just hit another all-time high today, this morning, at 44,480 points. Which is nuts. I mean, each of the last 3 to 4 days, we've hit all-time highs. So every day it seems like we're getting a new one. And here we are, yet again, another one. And maybe the S&P hit an all-time high this morning. Yeah, it did. SPY officially hit over 600 today. 601 this morning on SPY, which is that is an all-time high. And the S&P index hit 6,017 points, which I believe Goldman Sachs had a target 6,000 points for this year. I also had a target a couple months ago, 6,000 points for this year. And here we are, guys. We hit it officially. S&P hit 6,000, and it's not even December yet. It's not even time for the Santa Claus rally yet. So are we going to go up even more? Is 6,250 where we're going to go? I don't know. Maybe. Totally possible, as I do think we are going to get a Santa Claus rally. Not that, we need one. The stock market has gone up so much recently. But I think, especially hypothetically here, if we do cool off, maybe sell off for the rest of this month. I don't know, not even the rest of this month, but let's say hypothetically we trade sideways, maybe sell off a bit heading into December. That could be leading us into a nice setup for December, for a nice Santa Claus rally. Those are great. It's not, nothing's better, guys, than it being December. It's the holiday season. Christmas is coming up. The vibes are vibing. It's awesome out. Nothing's better when you couple that with a huge run in the stock market, right? Hey, you can't beat it. Christmas time, presents, family, food, treats, this, that. Couple that with a big move in the stock market. That's all I want for Christmas, guys. That's all I want. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button. Of course, make sure to subscribe and get your free stocks. You might as well get your free stocks for a moo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. Get your free money. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.